Today we are in Grizzly Ranch in the La Sierra, and for those of you who don't know, the La Sierra is located about 30 minutes north of Truckee.
We are excited to show you this home. It's a 4,100 square foot home on 2.1 acres. It's actually 2 parcels, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a 5-car garage. And you guys know how much I love garages. So come on, let's go take a look.
We hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Grizzly Ranch home.
And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more information on this home, our information is down below. You're welcome to contact us. Thank you so much for watching.